Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Starglass in Button Simulator. Starglass is a highly sought-after currency that unlocks powerful upgrades and exclusive content. Understanding the methods to acquire it efficiently will significantly boost your progress. We will cover the primary ways to earn Starglass, ensuring you can maximize your gains and enhance your gameplay experience. Let's dive into the details. The primary methods for earning Starglass involve engaging with core game mechanics. Regularly defeating powerful bosses is a consistent source, often yielding significant amounts. Additionally, completing your daily and weekly quests provides a steady stream of Starglass, so make sure to check those frequently. Keep an eye out for special in-game events, as these often feature Starglass as a top reward for participation and achievement. To maximize your Starglass gains, strategic optimization is key. Equip pets and enchantments that specifically increase currency drop rates. This can significantly multiply your earnings. Prioritize farming in zones known for higher Starglass drop probabilities. If the game allows, consider trading with other players for Starglass, exchanging items you have in abundance for this valuable resource. Every bit of efficiency helps. For advanced Starglass acquisition, consider these tactics. Rebirthing or prestiging can unlock new areas and challenges with enhanced Starglass rewards. Invest in specific upgrades that offer passive Starglass generation, allowing you to earn even when not actively playing. Finally, joining a guild or team can open doors to cooperative challenges and events, often providing substantial Starglass bonuses for group efforts. Good luck!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.